Hello, my name is Valentina and I'm going to explain page 193, exercise 8. So first of all, the problem is 8d plus 2 is less than 5d minus 7. So how you know we have to pass the variables to the left side and the numbers to the right side. So we have to pass 5 to the left side. So here is positive, so here is going to be negative. So 8d minus 5d is less than, and you know we have to pass the 2 to the right side. So like is positive here, here is going to be negative. So 7 minus 2. 3d is less than 5. Then d is less than, we have to leave the variable alone. So it's 3 divided 5. So 5 divided by 3, it's 1.6. So then we have to do the line. Okay, then we do the line, we have to put 1, but it's 1.6. So we have to put 0.6. So it's here, but it's not a colored circle because it is this. When it's just that without equal, it's not colored. So then we have that result. We have to do the parentheses, infinite and 1.6 infinite. Why infinite? Because when it's not unequal, it's not it could be, yeah, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to explain the exercise 12 of page 193. So first I'm going to tell you what is the problem. The problem is 5 parentheses 3p minus 2 close parentheses is more than 50. So in this we have to use distributive property. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 50, p. And 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So 50p minus 10 is 5p. And then we have to leave the 50 like it is, in the right side like it is. So then to leave the variable alone, we have to divide by 5 in both sides. So 50 divided by 5 is cancelled. And 50 divided by 5 is p, it's more than 10. Okay, so then we have to make the line and to ubicate the 10. So then it's a circle, but it's a whole circle. And then we have the result, that is brackets 10 and infinite parentheses. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to explain the exercise 5 of page 193. So how you know? Well, the problem is negative 1.5d. It's more than 18. So we have to leave the variable alone. So of course we have to divide 1.5 in both sides. So you know this is going to cancel. So it's cancelled. Then 18 divided 1.5. So then the result is d is less than 12. So then we have to do the line. So we have to ubicate the 12 and then we have to put it to this side because it is going to that side. And then we have to do the result, that is brackets 12 and infinite parentheses. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Juliana Delgado explaining page 193, number 10. So here we have minus 2x plus 7 is less than equal 45. So for making that x just leave, I'm going to subtract this with the 7. So as you see here, I remove the 7 and the 7, leaving anything. Here I make the same that I do here. So if I have here subtracting, I have also here subtracting by 7. So 45 minus 7 is 38, as you see here. So here I have minus 2x is more than equal. Why more? Because if here I have less, here I have to change the more and the minus, and here it comes like this. So here I have 38, as I say, and I'm going just to leave the 38, excuse me. So here I'm going to put 2, but subtracting, so it is anything. And here but here I have to be dividing minus 2. So 2 divided by, minus 2 divided by 38 is 19. So the answer will be x is more than equal minus 19. Here we pass to the timeline. So if here, as you see, I have the 0, the 10, and the 19, but it's just the part that is subtracting. So I'm going to put the field. So here, as you see here, is the field, and it goes to the right side. To the right side, because because it's more than 19, so it goes the right. And the answer will be here, that is parenthesis is minus infinite and minus 19 and brackets. Why is here a parenthesis? Because infinite is a number infinite, and is what we learn. And here 19, because the 19 is the answer living in here. So if we have here the 19, we have to put the brackets, so it is conclusion. Thank you. Now I'm going to put number 18. So the number is 18. So the equation is 7 minus 6b is less than or equal 19. So for us to remove the 7, we make the addition of plus 7. The thing is that we can't leave the 7, because if we have less and more, the thing is that it appeared to be minus. So it is 7 minus more 7. The thing, it will be removed, as you see here. And here the minus 7, we leave here the minus 7, making 19 plus 7. So 19 plus 7 is 26. And here we put the 6b right here, as you see here. So 6b divided by 6 will be removed, and we just leave the b, as you see right here. And here is less than or equal 26 divided by 6. The same thing as we make here, that is 6 and 6 here. So 26 divided by 6 is 4.33. So the answer will be b is less than or equal 4.33. So is here. Now I'm going to make, here's the line. Here we have the, infinite negative and infinite positive, as you know. And here we make 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but here, as is here 0.33, we're just going to put 4.3 for us to make it easier for the understanding. So here is, as you see here, is the 3, because it's 1, 4, 1, 2, and 3. That is points. And here we make the field to the left. Why to the left? Because if here we have more than, we have to keep it to be less than, as you see here. So the answer will be brackets 4.33 and infinite parentheses. As I explained before, it is 4.33 with brackets because it's the conclusion. And here we have, as I explained later before, here the infinite is in parentheses because it's a number without conclusions. So the answer is right here. Now, my friend and partner Valentina Sandoval is going to present us also page 193, but with her own pages. Thank you. So, we are here in number 20. So, the equation is 6z minus 15 is more than equal 4z plus 11. So, we are going to make a subtraction. There is minus 4. Oh, is 6 minus 4. That is 2. That is here. And 4 minus 4. Oh, 4 minus 4. That we remove it because the is plus and is a negative. So if it's plus and negative, it will be the subtracting. So it will be removed. And here, these two numbers are really the same, but right here. So the equation will be like the same, instead that we don't have the 4. So it's 2z minus 15 is more than equal 11. So for us to make the equation and just leave the z, we're going to remove the 15. The way you can see it here, that is minus 15 is more 15. So it's removed. And here is plus 11 and is minus 15. So here we are subtracting. So this 2z will leave the same thing. So here we pass it here. We pass it here, and the 4, that is the answer of the 11 and the 15 will be right here. So it is 2z divided by 2. But for us to remove the 2, because here we also have the 2, we remove it. So the way to do it is 2z divided by 2, but the 2 that is right here, we put it right here, so that the 2 will be with the 4, so that we can divide it and have the answer with a concrete answer. So as well, here we don't have anything because we removed. Here is more than equal, and here is 4 divided by 2. The answer of 4 divided by 2 is 2. So z is more than equal 2. So now we pass to the line. In the line we are representing the infinite negative and the infinite positive. So here is the 0, and well, here is the 1 and here is the 2. And for you to understand, I put here the 2, but it failed because it have more than equal. All numbers that be more than or minus equal are failed. So it's a failed. And now we are going to move it to the right because it's less than 2. So all the numbers that be less than 2, that will be like 3, 4, and etc. Will be to the right side. So here the answer will be brackets 2 and infinite parentheses. infinite, well, you know, because we don't have the concrete answer, and it's brackets too, because brackets is with the conclusion, because we here as we have the two and two, so it is the conclusion of the answer, and is the infinite with parentheses, because I before said because it's not the concrete answer. So thank you, and now my friend and partner Valentina is going to come explain us the third part of our project, as here that this is the third part. So thank you for watching this.